Okay, this thing is powered by a Kawasaki ZX11. It's been modified to run in this vehicle. It's been bored and stroked. It's 1140 cc's. This year we're running nitromethane and an alcohol mix. And we have gone 300 miles an hour with the thing on gasoline, and hopefully we'll go faster with this new engine combination. That's the plan. We've had some teething problems, but we think they're ironed out. We won't know until we try it tomorrow. We've had some rain here on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and the salt is still damp, so we're going to try it tomorrow, and hopefully we got our problems worked out and it'll work. Okay, the crew's going to open up take the bodywork off so you can see inside the thing. It's if you'll notice, there's no screws or anything exposed on the thing. It's to help out aerodynamically. This is the rider's compartment where I sit. Basically, the frame construction is kind of dictated by the rules as far as the diameter of the tubing and wall thickness. It's 1.25 inches outside diameter, 90 thousandths wall. And this particular machine we made out of 4130 aircraft tubing. The one unique thing that we've done that other folks haven't done is all of the tubes are cross-drilled, and this is where we keep our nitrogen to supply the shifting mechanism, the retractable skids, and the parachutes. Believe it or not, there's about 1,000 cubic inches worth of nitrogen we can carry in the thing. And I'll take the back part of the body off so you can look inside there. Okay, Ron, if you want to. The body is a carbon fiber composite. It has 2 layers of carbon on each side of a foam separator that's about 1/4 inch thick. The back part of the frame is aluminum tubing, and the reason we did that is to keep the weight down. Plus, you can alter the configuration of the frame to put different engines in, and that was the plan. The whole thing with me in it right now is 1,044 pounds, ready to go with fuel and everything in it. As you can tell, the fuel injection system, which we have covered right now just to keep the salt and stuff out of it, but there's an air box that goes around that, and those orange hoses you see are to take pressure from the front of the bike, or air in from the front of the motorcycle, into a box, and that pressurizes the whole system. At 300 miles an hour, we pick up about 1 psi, and which is equivalent to almost bringing the engine down to sea level. We're at 4,300 feet here, and that's worth, we think, about 10% on the horsepower. And so in this game, you got to look for every little thing you can to try to go faster. The rear wheel is a Goodyear front runner, which would normally be used on a funny car, and so is the brake setup. The wheel is also would be normally used on a funny car front end. These were donated by Lamb Components in Upland, and the only thing we did different was make our own hubs to hold the sprockets and that sort of thing on. We have two gallons of water in the back next to the fuel tank, and that's to cool the engine. We use a total loss water system that just basically goes out the exhaust. Behind that tank is the fuel, which holds 3 gallons of nitromethane in this case, which is just enough, believe it or not, to go the 5 miles which we have to go. Behind that is the parachute boxes, and we carry 2 parachutes, a high speed and a low speed, to get the thing stopped. It's very slippery, and if you don't have those, it won't do it. So that's the reason for that. Plus, the boxes are a structural member of the frame. Like I said, we've done everything we could to try to keep the weight down. Both the parachutes were made by Deist Safety Equipment. And you can tell by the pneumatics on the back, which is from the frame, pressurized frame, to actuate the things. If you lose pressure at all in the frame or anywhere else, they open automatically. There's also a tip-over system, which is a mercury-activated switches that if you fall down or tip over at a certain angle, the parachutes also come out automatically. Or they can be set off by me in the cockpit, which is hopefully normally always the case. The low-speed chute you shouldn't really open unless you're doing under 200 miles an hour, and that stops you pretty fast. And that's basically the machine. It is a motorcycle. It has 2 wheels, and that's the requirement.